In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use analytics on Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're a business owner tracking your website's performance or just curious about your site's statistical insights, Squarespace provides a user-friendly analytics interface. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, take a look at the main menu on the left side of your screen. Within this menu, you will find various options that allow you to manage and modify your website settings and content. But for today's purpose, we're interested in diving into the analytics. So go ahead and click on Analytics from this menu. This section is your gateway to a wealth of information about how your site is performing. To begin, you'll be welcomed by a broad overview highlighting key metrics. These metrics are essential tools for understanding your site's engagement levels. You'll immediately notice data points such as total page views, unique visitors, and overall visits. These numbers offer a snapshot of how much interest your website is stirring. Next up, let's delve a bit deeper into the traffic tab. This is where you'll gather insights about the number and behavior of visitors. You can assess patterns over time, which is invaluable for recognizing trends or seasonal interest in your content. This tab shows unique visitors, total visits, and comprehensive page views that give you a good understanding of the general traffic flow your site experiences over time. Another valuable area within analytics is the traffic sources. This segment breaks down where your visitors are coming from. Is it through social media, direct links, or search engines? Understanding these sources helps identify which platforms your strategy is excelling in and where there might be room for improvement. It's a fantastic tool for honing your marketing efforts. As you continue to explore the analytics platform, navigate to the Search Keywords section. Here you'll receive valuable insights into what search terms are leading people to your website. This information can help you tailor your content more effectively to meet your audience's needs and capitalize on popular search trends to attract even more visitors. Lastly, click on the Geography tab. This tool is essential for understanding where your audience is located across the globe. Whether you're running a local business or reaching out to an international audience, knowing the geographical distribution of your visitors can significantly impact how you plan your marketing and content strategies. Navigating the analytics dashboard on Squarespace 7.1 is straightforward and provides tremendously valuable insights. By regularly assessing these insights, you can optimize your website's performance and ensure you're reaching your target audience effectively. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.